Some of the best ways to build a positive and strong relationship with your kids are having conversation with your kids. Like always be open when they are coming and talking to you, and make sure you don't have any distractions. The next is also spending time with them, putting away your phone, like any type of electronics, so you have like quality time with them. The next is don't give punishments. Instead, like talk with them and make them understand. The next is playing together, like anything, like it can be blocks, it can be drawing, whatever the kids' interests are. The next is doing activities together, such as watch a movie, do crafts together. The next is eating meals together and at least having like one meal as a family. The next is take them for walking. And the next is being present when they need you. Also, the next idea is help them understand how people feel. Like, for example, if they feel angry and shout, make sure to talk to them and make them understand that that's not like a good behavior. The next is create rituals that you guys do together. Like, it can be a family vacation together, or it can be taking classes together. The next is promote independence. So, for example, like have them play in their room and organize it in such a way that they can take the things and keep it back where it belongs. The next is showing them that you're available anytime they need you. The next is doing household chores together. Like maybe like it can be as simple as just like taking out the laundry from the laundry machine. And the next is talk about their interest and help them pursue it. I hope you found these ideas helpful, and I hope you found these ideas helpful. And if you have any other ideas, make sure to leave a comment below and I will make sure to read it. Thank you.